Right, and amid the persisting volatility in the market, we spoke to a whole host of market experts and big names on D Street and their take on the markets. Let's go across and listen in.
Like the dollar index is due to sort of pull back to 106 in the near term, we can see a rebound rally back towards the 24,000 to 24,500 area on the Nifty, but this is still likely to be part of a consolidation and corrective pattern that still has some work to be done. So yeah, if we're talking about very short-term price action, I think the Nifty can rebound towards the 24,000, 24,500 area.
The index is holding up reasonably well, whereas the typical stock is down 20 to 30% already. So actually the indices don't reflect the reality of the damage. The damage is much more considerable. I would wait to buy into India at the present time.
If you look at consensus EPS estimates for India, any index that you look at, they're down about 7% from late September. The market is down 10%. But it means that the valuations haven't really corrected all that much. They remain almost as expensive as they used to be in mid to late September. When you look at the relative valuations, India in relation to Asia ex-Japan, that argument becomes even more egregious. India is on a forward P basis trading at about 62% premium to Asia ex-Japan.
The market bottoms out somewhere in this 22,800, 23,000 area, which I think is very important based on multiple studies. Breadth studies are oversold, sentiment is oversold, it can't get worse in terms of sentiment. So optimistic scenario is we bottom out somewhere here, 22,800 to 23,000. Pessimistic scenario is that if the budget does not go off well, FI selling continues, results don't go off well, SDFC Bank does not surprise positively, then we go down to that 21,800, 22,000 zone, which I think is really the worst case, which I'm looking at.
Bull market still holds. So we are very much in a bull market. Maybe it's a slightly more mature bull market. We have to consider the fact that we have had one of the most ferocious bull market that I have seen in my career after the technology bull market of 99 and 2000. Probably this has been the most ferocious one. So the kind of gains that we've had in this bull market over the last 5 years have been pretty strong and very phenomenal.